Imagine a life where you're stuck in Monday stress, stuck in traffic, and just waiting for your paycheck. You follow your boss's orders and go home at night completely exhausted. Now imagine there's a secret formula, 20 simple steps, that can give you financial freedom in 10 years or less. That's right, say goodbye to alarm clocks, sip your coffee peacefully, and smile because your bills are paying themselves. Your money works for you and you're no longer just a slave to your boss's orders. But step 16 is the one your boss absolutely does not want you to know. Step 1. Set a clear goal and target date. First, set your financial goal. Calculate your monthly expenses, rent, groceries, healthcare, transportation, and a bit for lifestyle enjoyment. For example, if you spend $2,500 per month, aim to have enough money in 10 years so that you don't need a paycheck for your basic lifestyle. This number becomes your roadmap. Write it somewhere you can see daily. Mirror, phone wallpaper, fridge, or office desk. When your mind sees this daily reminder, your subconscious automatically starts following the plan. Clear target plus clear deadline equals direction and motivation. Step 2. Understand the magic of compounding. Compounding is the real magic of wealth building. If you understand how money grows on its own, a 10-year plan becomes possible. Use the rule of 72. Divide 72 by your expected annual return to find out how many years it will take for your money to double. Example, if your investments give approximately 10% annual return, your money doubles roughly every 7 years. Start with $50,000. In 7 years, it's $100,000. 14 years, $200,000. Then $400,000. Early growth feels slow, but once momentum hits, acceleration becomes explosive. This is the secret formula for long-term wealth. Step 3. Build the income and savings gap. Freedom requires two things. Offense and defense. Offense equals increase your income. Extra side hustles, freelance work, or skill upgrades boost earnings. Defense equals spend less. Keep your lifestyle same and avoid unnecessary expenses. Example, if you earn $4,000 and save 10%, $400 per month goes into investments. In 10 years, cheers $77,000. If income is $10,000 and you invest 10%, $1,000 per month grows to approximately $200,000 in 10 years. Income gap equals the difference between what you earn and what you spend. The bigger the gap, the higher your wealth creation potential. Step 4. Automate your money habits. Automating habits is the most powerful tool. Choose a fixed date each month. Money automatically moves from checking to investments. Don't wait until you feel ready. Set 3 to 5% annual contribution increases automatically. Example, $1,000 invested this year becomes $1,030 to $1,050 next year. Small boring habits create huge results over time. Small steps equals giant future outcomes. Step 5. Use a 3-layer portfolio. A strong portfolio has 3 layers. 1. Growth layer. Broad stock index funds and top quality growth stocks for long-term growth. 2. Income layer. Dividend stocks / funds, REITs, rental properties for steady cash flow. 3. Stability layer. Treasuries, high-yield savings, some gold commodities for resilience in crashes. Not for fastest one-year returns, but perfect for long-term wealth and risk management. Compounding works even through market storms. Step 6. Diversify globally. Don't rely only on the US market. Take some international exposure. Currency and geography diversification reduces the risk of surprises and unexpected market changes. If one economy goes down, your investments survive. This global perspective future-proofs your plan. Step 7. Protect your runway. Emergency fund. Keep 3 to 6 months of essential expenses in cash. Get proper insurance, health, life, property. Clear high-interest debt. If you're planning early retirement and have to sell assets in emergencies, your plan fails. Cushion equals safety net plus peace of mind. Example, you have 6 months of cash and the market crashes. No need to panic sell investments. You can wait and enjoy gains when recovery comes. Step 8. Track quiet progress. Track net worth, savings rate, and monthly investments in a simple spreadsheet or app. One canceled subscription equals extra $13 invested. Small win. Many quiet wins stack up to create a loud life. Step 18 goes deeper into milestones and celebrations to keep motivation high. Step 9. Grow income on purpose. Pick a valuable skill and sprint with it. Close more deals, lead more projects, ship more videos or code. Ask for a raise with proof. If denied, find a fair-paying job or start a scalable side business. Keep lifestyle flat, let income rise, This difference equals fuel for compounding. Example, earning an extra $500 per month from one skill. Over 10 years, 500 times 12 times compounding equals massive addition to wealth. Step 10. Add cash flow assets, years 3 to 5. Start building passive income. Modest rental property, monthly dividend fund, simple digital product/subscription service. Step by step, first cover groceries, then utilities, then bigger bills. When passive income covers essentials, you choose projects instead of chasing paychecks. This is where true financial freedom begins. Step 11. Respect inflation, prices rise, and so should your contributions and passive income. If you invest $1,000 this year, plan $1,030 next year. When your portfolio eventually pays $6,000 per month, don't spend all. Reinvest 10 to 20%. Think long term. Think forest, not firewood. Enjoy the fruits, don't cut the trees. Let your investments grow so your future is financially secure. Step 12. Survive the quiet years. The first 3 to 4 years feel slow. You'll think, is this it? Yes, it feels like that at the start. Compounding is a slow motion avalanche. It rolls slowly at first, then momentum takes over. Don't quit early. Water the seed, protect it, and wait. Patience turns early, slow growth into exponential gains later. Step 13. Watch for the tipping point. One day your account grows faster than your job. Example, $100,000 invested at 10% equals $10,000 per year. $500,000 equals $50,000 per year. $1 million equals $100,000 per year. Then stop pushing and start steering. Reinvest a big portion, even half, and glide fast. This moment shifts you from slow climb to fast glide. Step 14. Create spending rules. Set a ceiling like the 4% guideline, then adjust for your reality. Cover essentials from steady income and keep a buffer. Every wasted dollar equals a worker fired. Every impulse splurge equals a worker fired before output. Discipline equals your money machines. Step 15. Build systems for discipline. Automate bills, automate investments. Keep a separate spending account. Replace doom scrolling with a weekly money hour. Surround yourself with freedom-minded people. Environment equals making the right choice easy. Step 16. Design life after work. Focus on health, sleep, movement, nutritious food. Next, relationships, people you want to help. Skills, places to explore, work you love. Goal equals don't just sit still. Goal equals own your time and fill days with meaning. Start practicing pieces of this life today. Step 17. Map the decade. Years 1 to 2. Cut waste, raise income, automate investments, build emergency fund. Years 3 to 4. Add cash flow streams, increase contributions plus 3% per year. Years 5 to 6. Rebalance 3 layers, stay global. Years 7 to 8. Use gains to buy assets, keep lifestyle mostly flat. Years 9 to 10. Live on portfolio plus side income, test, adjust. Step 18. Celebrate milestones. $10,000, $50,000, $100,000 invested. Investment gains greater than job income. Passive income covers essentials. Full portfolio equals full life. Momentum loves marking victories. Step 19. Expect setbacks. Markets drop, jobs change, roofs leak. Plan doesn't break if you continue contributions and avoid panic selling. Cushion plus diversification plus habits equals shock absorbers. Hard days equals part of the road, not the end. Step 20. Keep learning without overtinkering. Basics. Low-cost index funds, tax strategies, reduce fees. Stick to rules. Following a simple plan is better than abandoning a perfect plan. Patience turns good choices into great outcomes. 10 years later, a long walk after breakfast. Check messages whenever you want. Choose projects because they matter, not because rent is due. Plan equals machine. Money works for you. First slowly, then all at once. Dollars equals loyal workers. Habits equals manager. Future equals owner.